Hi everyone, welcome to North Campus Essential Calculus Problem Series. And in this series, we solve important calculus problems step by step, making sure every concept is clear and easy to follow. In this lecture, we will solve the integral of tangent to the power of 4x. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Let's write the integral again. The integral of tangent to the power of 4x times dx. To evaluate this integral, you first need to know that the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square of x. This fact is extremely useful and you'll use it in many integrals involving tangent x. Before we begin the integral of tangent to the power of 4x, I want to show you how the relationship between tangent x and secant square of x can be used in integrals by working through a couple of examples. What I'm about to show you is very important for understanding the main idea. Let's take an example as tangent x times square root secant square of x dx. In such an integral, we say that tangent x is equal to u and make substitution. The derivative of tangent x is secant square of x times dx equal to du. And then we say that this is equal to du and this part is u. Then the integral becomes u times du, and if we integrate it, the integral of u is 1 over 2 times u to the power of 2, and this is equal to 1 over 2 times tangent square of x and plus the constant c. And if we have any power of tangent x, for example, if you have tangent to the power of, for example, 5x, you will use again the same identity, and for this question the integral will become the u to the power of 5 times du, and we already used the same substitution here, and this will become 1 over 6 times u to the power of 6, and this is equal to 1 over 6 times tangent to the power of 8x. This equation is very important and you will always use such integrals. Secondly, you need to know that tangent square of x is equal to secant square of x minus 1. This is also very important because in integrals involving tangent x, we often use this identity and to make a reduction, in other words, to lower the power of tangent x and simplify the integral. Okay, let's solve the problem now. Tangent to the power of x is, I can write it as tangent square of x times tangent square of x dx. And we know that tangent square of x is equal to secant square of x minus 1. Then the integral becomes integral of tangent square x times secant square of x minus 1 dx. Then let's multiply them. Then the integral becomes tangent square of x times secant square of x minus tangent square of x dx. Here I will split the integral into two different parts, and I will say that the integral, first integral, tangent square of x times secant square of x dx, minus the second part will be minus tangent square of x dx. This part is easy because I showed it before in this video. I will say that tangent x is u and secant square of x dx will become du. And for this part, tangent square of x, I will make again reduction. And to make the reduction, I will say that tangent square of x is equal to secant square of x minus 1. Then the integral will become, let's take it down, minus integral of secant square of x minus 1 dx. Then the integral becomes like, okay, let's take it down, minus the integral of secant square of x dx minus become the positive plus integral of 1 dx. And we don't write 1 here. Okay, the integral is this. For this integral, you will say that tangent x is equal to u. Then secant square of x dx will become du. Then this is du and tangent x is u. Then the integral becomes integral of u to the power of 2 u square times du. Then how do we integrate this? We add 1 to the power u to the power of 2 plus 1 and divide by it 2 plus 1. Then this is equal to 1 over 3 times u to 3. Okay, and this is equal to 1 over 3 times tangent cube x. Then the integral of this part is 1 over 3 times tangent cube x. 1 over 3 times tangent cube x minus. We know that the derivative of tangent x is secant square of x. Then the integral of secant square of x is tangent x minus tangent x and plus the integral of dx. This is actually 1 and integral of 1 is x. And since this integral is an indefinite integral, we should add a constant c. Okay, this is the answer. See you in the next video.